Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorials. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is sharing setting. Sharing rules are used to grant extra permission on records apart from what user is already getting through OWD. Using sharing rules, we can grant access of read, write on records. Types of sharing rules: owner-based sharing rule, criteria-based sharing rule, manual sharing rule, apex-based sharing rule. Owner-based sharing rules: records which are owned by the user who belongs to given role and subordinate, public group, queue, and shared with the users who have given role and subordinate, public group with read-write access. Criteria-based sharing rules: rules which are meeting the given condition are shared with the users who belongs to given role and subordinate, public group with read or read and write access. Manual sharing rules: if we want to share a particular record with a specific role and subordinate, public group, user, then we use manual sharing rule. Open the detail page of the record, click on sharing button and select the user. Apex-based sharing rules: we can also share the records using Apex programming. Steps to create territory-based sharing rule: set up, administer, manage territories, setting, enable enterprise territory management. For example, create a record on a student by the name Hari and share this record with user A at network.com. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. So for the assignment, first we need to go with a student's object, create a new record with the name Hari, date of birth is 2000, address is Noida, country is India, state is UP. Click on save button. Hari record is created. I am going to second user A at network.com and providing the password to get login. Now I am going with a student object. Am I able to see the Hari record? No. So again going to my main account, click on sharing button, click on add, click on users, user A, just add this user. Which level of access you want to give? Access level read only or read write? I am going with read only. Click on save button. Now again if I am going to user A and refreshing, now I am able to see the Hari record because of manual sharing. Thank you.